Intellistage systems, Road Ready is rewriting the book. Intellistage is a whole new concept in portable staging and is the ultimate in portability and convenience. This versatile, strong, and lightweight stage system consists of modular lightweight platforms and risers that are simple and mobile enough to be set up by one person. Perfect for schools, houses of worship, hotels, event organizers including sporting and live music events, mobile DJs, the fashion industry, and more. With your Intellistage system, the configuration possibilities are endless. Intellistage offers innovative products to fit all of your staging needs, including stage ramps, guardrails, stage backdrops, choral risers, seated risers, skirting and drapes, and various transportation and storage systems. It's all made possible using Intellistage systems' modular design. Platforms and risers can be combined to create custom stages in various heights and configurations. Intellistage risers are available in the most popular US and metric heights. Previously, portable stages were often less than portable, and even in their collapsed form took up a lot of space. They also required several people to set up, break down, and transport them. But road-ready Intellistage systems were designed to be easily assembled by a single person. Each platform and riser are fastened together using our unique internal locking system, and each lightweight platform can bear weight up to 185 pounds per square foot or 900 kilograms per square meter. When it's time to break down, you'll find that disassembly and storage of your Intellistage system is equally simple and hassle-free. Intellistage systems are also available in kits with optional compact storage flight cases featuring integrated casters that will transport your stage just about anywhere. All panels are clearly marked for proper storage positions to keep your Intellistage system in perfect operating order. With Intellistage systems, we've thought of everything for your convenience, with tons of cool integrated features like convenient cable and electrical ports on square and rectangular platforms, and cool options like slip-resistant Duraflex finishes, and other options like our ISSK Stage Skirt Kit that uses a system of fast and easy-to-install hook-and-loop clips that attach directly to your stage or drum riser within seconds. In addition to our stage systems, we've also designed a drum riser package that consists of 4 3x3 platforms and 6-inch high screw-in legs that fits in the trunk of your car and can be easily assembled in minutes. In addition to these typical stage setups, you can create nearly any shape you can think of, including multiple levels, catwalks for fashion shows, small platforms, steps, and much, much more. Looking for more information on Intellistage systems? Contact your local road-ready Intellistage dealer